Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh was born in 1956 in Calcutta. His major novels include The Circle of Reason is his debut novel published in 1986, The Shadow Lines published in 1988, The Calcutta Chromosome published in 1995, The Glass Palace published in 2000, The Hungry Tide published in 2004, Gun Island published in 2019, Jungle Nama published in 2021. There is a trilogy written by Amitav Ghosh known as the Ibis Trilogy. The first work in trilogy is Sea of Poppies published in 2008, River of Smoke published in 2011, Flood of Fire published in 2015.